Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get your toxic trait filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Here you will see a search bar. Just tap there and search for toxic. Okay, remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on the screen to try the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and search for toxic trait filter. Okay, so here you will see video with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow. Just tap on it. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites. And at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.